Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 8th of April 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of April, 2025, our system has ranked SPY as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.24. Now, let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time frame. The exchange-traded fund experienced a loss of -12.05%. This results in an average loss of -2.41% per day since its classification as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund has broken the downward trend that had been established in the short term. Initially, a stronger rate of decline is indicated, although we may experience false breaks and sell-offs. Nonetheless, a further drop seems plausible, and any movements back to the breaking point of $530.88 are viewed as a second opportunity to exit. According to the fan theory, $487.80 may represent the new baseline for the upcoming trend, but it is still too early to make a definitive statement. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of -10.66% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -4.47% and +3.28%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 14.30%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 14.30% to 43.51% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $567.48 and $712.52. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, SPY ETF price down 1.57% on Tuesday. The SPY ETF price decreased by 1.57% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, falling from $504.38 to $496.48. This marks a decline for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.49%, ranging from a low of $489.17 to a high of $496.48. Over the past 10 days, the price has dropped in 7 of those days, resulting in a total decrease of 13.71% for this period. Interestingly, volume also declined on the last day alongside the ETF price, which is a positive indicator. As volume typically follows the ETF's movement, on the last trading day, the volume fell by 97 million shares, with a total of 154 million shares changing hands, amounting to approximately $76.35 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $613.23, while the lowest price reached $481.80. Currently, the price sits at 19.04%, or $116.75, below the 52-week high of $613.23, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500, tracked by the SPY ETF, is in the spotlight today as it experienced significant volatility due to rising tariff concerns. On the 8th of April, the index closed below the 5,000 mark for the first time in nearly a year, reversing early gains amid market fears of a looming $1 trillion tax increase linked to new tariffs. This reversal highlights a broader trend of market instability, suggesting that investors are increasingly cautious in an uncertain economic environment. Julian Emanuel from Evercore ISI has noted that this volatility is becoming a new normal, signaling potential challenges ahead for equity markets. The fear of tariffs has not only dampened investor enthusiasm, but also extended a sell-off that has been ongoing for 4 consecutive sessions. The situation warrants close attention as it reflects broader economic sentiments, which could impact stock prices in both the short and long term. In the short term, uncertainty surrounding tariff negotiations may lead to further sell-offs, as seen today. Conversely, if the market manages to stabilize, there could be buying opportunities for investors looking to capitalize on potential rebounds. Overall, the current sentiment indicates that while volatility poses risks, it may also present strategic entry points for savvy investors, reflecting differing perspectives on the tariff situation as the market navigates these turbulent waters. The following signals have been identified for SPY. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The SPY exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these averages, as the long-term average sits above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $532.53 and $567.53. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 25, 2025, and since then, the price has decreased by 13.71%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence, also known as MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence-divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal 11 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago, short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal 33 days ago, the relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 30 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 11 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal 30 days ago, the relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 22 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for the SPY ETF. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions align unfavorably, the ETF may experience significant declines in the coming days. This ETF typically shows average daily movements, and with healthy trading volume, its risk is assessed as medium. Over the past day, the ETF exhibited a range of $7.31 between its high and low, translating to a movement of 1.49%. In the last week, the ETF has recorded an average daily volatility of 3.73%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for SPY is at $504.38. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below this level, which means the ETF could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop loss in place. Is the SPY ETF a good investment? The SPY ETF exhibits several negative indicators and is currently within a declining trend, leading us to believe it will likely perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this ETF. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day suggests that the current price is inflated. For trading on Wednesday, the 9th of April, we anticipate that SPY will open lower by $2.44, starting at $494.04. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.